We shall watch my train, 33238, leave. This is going down to Crewe, stopping at all the stations along the way. Well, I don't think it's stopping at Levensham and whatever that other place is again. Right. Train's arriving, so I'll film that in and out. This is 323236 on the 1559 service to Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe. We're going to film that out in a minute. Departing now on the 1559 service to Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe is 33236. This will be calling at Chiju Hulme, Stockport, and then straight to Manchester Piccadilly, unless it stops at Levensham and Heaton Chapel. Right, we've got an Alderley Edge service arriving, worked by 323231. This has originated off of Manchester Piccadilly. These used to be the Alderley Edge Southport services and worked by 769s and 150s, but that was split during the recent timetable change. Now see the 1601 Northern service to Alderley Edge from Manchester Piccadilly depart, worked by 323231. Class 323s are awesome. We have a TFW train passing through, and it looks like it's a Wagset. So yeah, and a Tone as well. And it's the old Pan Central one. Brilliant. I totally missed what the 67 was. But if any of you were able to read it, let me know in the comments below. We now have a Pendolino for Avanti West Coast passing through, 39122 on the service London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. Correct. Pendolino is called. There's another name, but I'll have to go and look that up and put it as a subtitle because that was too fast for me to read. Now arriving is the slightly late 1616 service to Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe, worked by 323225. Departing about a minute or two late is the 1616 service to Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe, worked by 323225. You know that sound? And the sounds of the Class 319s? They are the most superior electric multiple unit sounds on the whole of the National Rail network. Wow. For a change, we have a 331 arriving on the 1628 service to Crewe, and there are kids who think they are cool riding scooters on a railway station. Anyway, this is 331029. Leaving now is 331029 on the 1628 service crew from Manchester Piccadilly. Next off of that train will be Wilmslow. Right, we now have another Pendolino, 39122, Penny the Pendolino, passing through on a slightly delayed Manchester Piccadilly service. Well, unfortunately, my time and forth has now come to an end. Here comes my train, a Class 323, to take me back up to Manchester Piccadilly, where my day on the Greater Manchester Wayford ticket will be ending. Here's 323 231 again.